Hey, this is Marko, and today I'm going to show you how to add a shake tutorial on CapCut. So what you need to do, you need to add your images, then you need to click on edit and then animations. Then you need to find the fade out one. As you can see, you go to the out, click on fade out, speed 0.3. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to add another animation in, and you want to find unfold, speed 0.3. Okay. Now you want to add an effect. Go to the effects and then type in halo blur. Add the first one, adjust it, put speed all the way to the right and intensity to about, let's say 40. Now let's do 50. Okay, and if we were to go back, here is the video. As you can see, it has the halo, then it has the animation, and then I didn't add animation here, but that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in Shopify, I can offer you a free trial. More about that in link in the description.